All right, Jen St. Dennis from Business in Vancouver is with us. Good morning, Jen. How are you?
Good morning. I'm doing well.
Well, we're going to talk about the markets in a second, but first we want to talk about a pharmaceutical company.
Yeah, that's right. This is Valeant. This is a Canadian pharmaceutical company. They're based in Montreal. Now, they have become kind of famous recently for, first of all, being a really high performer on the TSX stock market, but then kind of having a lot of drama as well. So this is a company that had their business strategy has been to acquire other drug makers and then increase the price, sometimes by over 500%. And this has earned them the ire of, especially from the United States policymakers and government. They've had to testify before the U.S. Congress on this business model that they have. Well, today they were supposed to release their fourth quarter financials, but they have delayed doing that, and that's because their CEO, Michael Pearson, in December was hospitalized for a severe case of pneumonia. He is now back at the company, but the company is saying that because he has been gone for so long, they are going to delay releasing those financials. And so that means that this has pushed their stock down a little bit this morning on this news.
Okay, we'll keep an eye on see when he's back in the seat, so to speak. All right, we mentioned the stock markets this morning. The Chinese markets in turmoil again today.
That's right, yeah. We saw another shaky day on the Chinese stock markets. And then we saw, after markets closed, the Chinese government, the Central Bank for China, People's Bank of China, coming in and doing another round of stimulus. And they have been doing this for about 5 times. What they've been doing is reducing the amount of reserves that the banks are required to hold. So this now they've cut it down to about 17%. This has the effect of injecting more money into the economy because the banks can lend more. So this will inject about $100 billion into the Chinese economy. So we know that the Chinese economy has been slowing. We've been seeing all sorts of impact on the global economy from that. And so this is part of the Chinese government's efforts to kind of do that transition that's been proven quite difficult for them to do in a sort of a slow manner of moving from manufacturing to kind of a more consumer and services-based economy.
All right, Jen, thank you very much. If you want some more details, go to BIV.com. Thanks, Jen. We'll see you tomorrow.
Thanks.